Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So I am going to be doing a collaboration video with a company called Yita. So it's Yita. So basically they sell a lot of home decor furniture, outdoor furniture, room furniture, kitchen furniture. Anywhere where furniture can go, they have it. They have it. And they have some beautiful items on their site. So I was able to pick out a piece of furniture on their website, and I ended up picking up a TV stand. So I'm going to be setting it up today. Wish me luck. This will be my first time ever setting up a TV stand. I was going to wait until Super P come home, but I'm just so excited to see how it looks in my living room that I was like, let me just go ahead and try to do it myself. So this is where I'm going to be sitting it at. The TV stand that I picked out, it actually comes with a fireplace. So I'm going to be taking this fireplace right here off the wall, and then y'all will see the transformation. So I'm going to give you guys a before look, and then I will give you guys a after look. So I'm just going to show you guys pretty much how the area looks before I put the stand on. And yeah, I am super excited about this collaboration, y'all. The stand that I chose is so beautiful. It's a white stand. It has lights in the inside of the cabinets on there. The retail price for that was like $449 something, but I'm gonna leave everything in the description just to give you guys the right amount. It is gorgeous, y'all. So hopefully this area will look a little fuller than it is now, because it looks like it's missing something. Like I needed something that was gonna give it a pop, and I think that that's gonna do the job just well. So we have our TV right here. This is a 70-inch. Then we have our sound bar, and then we have a fireplace right here. So I'm going to be taking this fireplace down. I may move it in my room or something. I'm just not sure just yet, because I'm not going to get rid of it because it's still brand new and we barely even use it. So I'm just going to take this off the wall, sit you guys down, and then we're going to jump into this video. So another thing I wanted to mention about this company is that they have really fast shipping. Really fast. So on their website, it says that you will get your stuff between 3 to 6 days. I actually ordered it 2 days ago, and so basically I ordered it Thursday. Today is Saturday, and I already got my package already. So I was like, when I pulled up today, and I was like, what is that? Like, I have a package. Came early, like super fast shipping. So definitely, if you want to get your furniture right away, definitely check them out. So if y'all haven't done so already, or if you guys are new here, be sure you guys are subscribed to this channel. I do a lot of DIYing. I like to do different home decor setups. We do family vlogs, travel, all that good stuff. We do a lot of stuff over here at the Wingspan. I do reviews, unboxings, all that good stuff. So if you guys are interested in watching that type of content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys are interested, you know anyone else that might be interested, tell them. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to the fam. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to just slide the box over here. I am going to just do like a midpoint, like the beginning, mid, and then end. I'm not going to like film me doing the whole setup, because it may take me hours. Like I said, this is going to be my very first time setting it up. But I will bring you guys along for the whole process. So I'm just going to have you guys sitting right here, and I'm just going to slide the box over. The box is really heavy. It's really heavy. So I have to slide it over here, and then we'll get started on this video. So it's gonna go like right in this area right here. First I gotta figure out how to take this fireplace down. So y'all, I ended up messing up my wall, trying to take the mounts that was attached to the fireplace off. Look at that. Like, this one actually broke the screw on this side. So it's still a piece in there on the 2x4. And then this one, I was able to break it off until it was left with like this piece in the screw. So now I'm gonna have to go get the putty and like fill in these holes right here. And then I will add some more of my wallpaper. And then start the other process. Okay, so here are all the pieces. Not too many, so I'm surprised. So hopefully this should be an easy setup. These are like all of the tools you'll need. These are the remote, the power cord, and glass. Got a whole bunch of stuff going on right here. So let's get started. Since I left the city, you. I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 on my yard. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. Let me hide, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling me. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind, running to the other side. And it's time to leave my life. And it tried to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need a feeling fire. I really need a different mind now. I really need a feeling fire. I really need. I need to feel my mind now. I really need a feeling fire. So guys, as you saw that I put the fireplace in, it's actually like a drawer, so you'll be able to pull it out if you want it out, or you can also take it, leave it in, or take it out and do whatever else you want to do to it. But I think that it looks really good inside, so I'm not going to do anything else to it. But it looks really good. I give this a 10 out of 10. Be sure to check out Yeti Homes. You guys will find some amazing products on their website. I actually wish I could have got everything, y'all, because all the items that were on there were so beautiful. So be sure to check them out for your next home decor. Until next time, bye, y'all.
I really need mine now, yeah.